Everyone is talking about the generative AI ChatGPT. Hello there, how are you? I wish you are doing well. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have something really exciting lined up for all of you. We'll be diving into a complete course of the fascinating topic ChatGPT, especially tailored for our brilliance. And don't worry, we will be explaining everything in simple way to make you grasp every concept easily. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick overview. In this course, we will learn introduction to ChatGPT, how does ChatGPT work, neural network and training, generative AI, real-world applications of ChatGPT, applications in various fields, ethics and challenges, ensuring responsible use. Then let's start the course from the introduction section. Introduction to ChatGPT. What does ChatGPT mean? ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is an innovative AI technology developed by the tech company OpenAI. ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate human-like based on the input received. Think of it as having a virtual conversation with a super smart computer. Now let's know how does ChatGPT work. Now let's unreveal the magic behind the ChatGPT. ChatGPT works through its generating pre-trained transformer, which uses specialized algorithms to find patterns with the data sequences. ChatGPT uses the GPT-3 language model. It uses a neural networks machine learning model and the third generation of generative pre-trained transformer. Let's now neural networks and training. At its core, ChatGPT uses something called neural network to mimic human thinking. These networks are trained on massive amounts of text data to learn grammar, vocabulary, and even some reasoning abilities. A neural network is a method in artificial intelligence that teaches computer to process data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. Generating text with ChatGPT. Imagine giving ChatGPT a sentence and it responds with a coherent paragraph. It uses its training to predict the most likely words to follow, creating text that's remarkably human-like. It generates the text on the basis of training. Now let's know real-world applications. One of the most significant ways that ChatGPT is changing the world is by improving natural language processing (NLP). NLP is the field of study that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language, and it is essential for tasks like language translation, sentimental analysis, and speech recognition. Now, applications of ChatGPT in various fields. From answering questions to aiding in writing, coding, even medical diagnosis, ChatGPT has found its way into numerous industries. Its versatility is truly astonishing. Ethics challenges of ChatGPT. But like any powerful tool, ChatGPT comes with its own set of ethical concerns and challenges. ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. It has made it possible for people to communicate with machines in a more natural and efficient way. This has led to significant improvements in the way we consume or process information, as well enhance customer services experiences and more, ensuring responsible use of ChatGPT. We must ensure that ChatGPT is responsibly to avoid spreading misinformation or waste content. Developers are working hard to fine-tune its responses. Using ChatGPT responsibly also involves using the tool in a manner that aligns with ethical guidelines. This includes not using the ChatGPT to generate harmful or misleading contents and respecting the rights and dignity of others in your interaction with the AI. Now, let's know something about your journey with ChatGPT. Exciting times lie ahead as you dive into the world of ChatGPT. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the wonderful world of ChatGPT. This course is designed to give you a solid foundation and spark your curiosity to explore even further. Remembering, learning is a journey and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel for more amazing content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, let us know in comments if you are excited about diving in the tech world. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring. See you in next video. Thank you. Have a good day.